The rise of artificial intelligence has transformed the way we work, live, and even make money. What once required years of specialized knowledge can now be achieved in days or even hours, thanks to AI tools that simplify complex processes. Imagine going from zero experience to making a significant income in just 1 week. This is no longer a fantasy. It's a reality that many are tapping into today. I'll break down exactly how I used AI to generate wealth in 7 days without prior expertise. Today we'll talk about AI made me rich in 7 days. Day 1. Understanding AI and choosing the right tools. The first step was learning what AI could do for me. AI is not a single tool but a collection of technologies capable of automating tasks, generating content, analyzing data, and even making strategic decisions. I started by exploring popular AI platforms for content creation, automation, and business analytics. Tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, Jasper, and AI-driven automation software became my arsenal. I didn't need deep technical knowledge. What mattered was identifying tools that could solve real-world problems or create products people wanted. Day 2. Identifying a profitable niche. Once I understood AI capabilities, I had to find a niche where AI could generate fast results. I looked for markets where demand was high, competition was manageable, and people were willing to pay for solutions. Examples included creating AI-generated content for blogs, automating small business tasks, or producing AI art for digital products. Using tools like Google Trends, Reddit, and niche forums, I pinpointed areas with urgent needs that AI could fulfill quickly. The key was simplicity. Choose something that doesn't require months of learning. Day 3. Creating my first AI product. With the niche identified, I created my first product. For example, I used an AI content generator to create an ebook, a set of blog posts, or a marketing plan template. AI tools enabled me to produce high-quality content in hours, tasks that normally take days or weeks. I focused on producing something tangible, valuable, and easy to sell. At this stage, speed was more important than perfection because AI allows for instant improvements based on feedback. Day 4. Setting up a sales platform. Having a product isn't enough, people need to see it. I set up a simple sales platform using tools like Shopify, Gumroad, or even social media marketplaces. AI again played a role by generating product descriptions, sales copy, and marketing materials that resonated with potential customers. I leveraged free or low-cost AI marketing tools to design eye-catching graphics, create email campaigns, and even draft social media ads. The result was a professional-looking product that looked like it had taken weeks to create, but it was ready in hours. Day 5. Marketing with AI automation. Marketing can often be the most challenging part of making money online, but AI simplifies it. I automated social media posting, email campaigns, and paid ads using AI-driven platforms. Tools analyzed audience behavior, optimized posting times, and even suggested trending topics to boost engagement. With AI doing the heavy lifting, I was able to reach thousands of potential customers without manually spending hours on promotion. This automated marketing was crucial for generating fast income. Day 6. Scaling and optimizing. Once initial sales came in, I used AI to analyze what was working and what wasn't. AI analytics tools helped me identify which products sold best, which ads converted, and which platforms were most profitable. I doubled down on strategies that worked and quickly pivoted from those that didn't. This rapid feedback loop allowed me to maximize revenue in a fraction of the time it would take a human to manually analyze data. Scaling also included producing more AI-generated content or expanding product lines based on proven demand. Day 7. Reaping the rewards. By the 7th day, my small artificial intelligence-powered business had generated income exceeding what I expected. What amazed me most was that I had zero prior experience. AI handled content creation, marketing, and even analytics. My role was primarily strategic, choosing the niche, monitoring results, and making small adjustments. This experience highlighted a crucial truth. Artificial intelligence can accelerate wealth creation faster than traditional methods if you know how to leverage it effectively. AI is a game changer. AI is no longer a futuristic tool. It's a present-day engine for rapid wealth generation. The combination of AI-driven content, automation, and analytics allows anyone, regardless of experience, to enter profitable niches and generate income quickly. While my 7-day success is remarkable, it's replicable with the right mindset, planning, and tools. AI democratizes opportunity, enabling individuals to bypass years of trial and error and start earning almost immediately. The key takeaway: learn the tools, pick a profitable niche, automate as much as possible, and continuously optimize. With AI, financial transformation can happen faster than ever before. Next steps for aspiring AI entrepreneurs. For anyone inspired to replicate this journey, the most important principle is to start small and experiment relentlessly. Begin by testing AI tools in areas like content creation, graphic design, automation, or analytics, whatever aligns with your interests or the niche you want to explore. Don't worry about getting everything perfect on the first try. AI is forgiving and allows you to iterate quickly. As you experiment, focus on validating your ideas in real-world markets. This means observing what people actually want, testing product or service concepts with small audiences, and gathering feedback before investing heavily in scaling. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up. Leave a comment and click the button to subscribe.